Frank's video. I'm with QRGL Marketing Inc. I'm going to be doing a short video presentation / training on our new feature, the Event Manager. Really excited about this new feature, folks, and here's a template and how it works. You could find this under your drop down menu under Edit, and you'll find the Event Manager. I brought it up just to save some time and I've started typing it out, but this has not been completed yet. Okay, so I type in the event title, current number of subscribers to this event. Well, there's nobody here yet, of course, because no one's entered, registered, pardon me. Closed event, we're not going to spend too much time talking about it, but the closed event is going to be basically for QRGL Marketing actual members. Okay, the open event is going to be that you could invite anybody in the public to come to this event. You would select in your profile the event calendar, and this will link to it. Okay, and this will be via public to the profile and to everybody in the public. So let's start off by, it's very critical and important that you start with the event date and time. Okay, so there's the if you were to come here, you'll see there's a drop down. You select the 30th. I put the hours. Very important to select the America, Canada, or America, Vancouver, and it's the time zone. It's very, very important. If you went America, Toronto, it'll go Eastern. America, Vancouver, it would be Pacific Standard Time. Very important. The event end date and time, that's also very critical, and as you can see, it's the same old drop down, and there you go. I got 1900, and the end date and time will be 2100, 2 hours later. Okay, type in your venue. The address is very critical that it's correct. The country and province is important, or state. And once you've updated this and upgraded it, you will, or probably update it, you will actually have a map here, and Google Map will create the latitude and longitude. Put in your phone number if you like, and how many people the venue could hold. Let's say this venue here only holds enough room for 100, so I will only allow 100 people to register, and the system will keep track of everybody that registers. Now down below here, this is where I can put the description, and it's a HTML editor. And folks, most of you have probably by now have seen the video, YouTube video that I've put out there for the HTML editor. You could find it under QRGL Marketing Inc. at HTML editor, and use that as a subtitle in a search, and you will come to the HTML editor. I'm not going to spend time with that, but I am going to show you a quick demonstration how to actually do just a little bit of a landing page for my event. So I'm going to start off with the title, Demo 2012, and this actual event is going to be on QR code. So I'm just going to go out and grab an image. And I've actually got an image here that I've, just to save some time, under my files, and that one there is going to be it's going to be a thumbprint. I'm going to go to my files, like I said, and there's my thumbprint. I'm going to select it. If I want to attach it to a link or a URL, I can, but I'm not. I'm just going to put the actual thumbprint up there. And what I'd like to do is also have a video on the actual QR code. So we're going to go here and hit enter, and now I'm going to go to YouTube and select a YouTube video. I'm going to do a search, engaging QR code version 3, and hit a search. Find the video that I want. There it is. Make sure you highlight it and select a style. I always like to have a border, and dimension I always go with the actual phone size, just 300 by 225. Hit insert, and there it is. I could put some text on the actual footer if I like, and close it off. See at the event, something like that, and there you go. So now she's all set up. I'm now hit update. Once I hit update, the actual system will all update everything. The Google Map will be in place, and everything will be formatted. Okay. Now where you have to go from here is you need to actually tie this. As you can see, nobody is registered, and now I have the event listed in the bottom. Okay, you'll see that I have other events here, but you'll see that the event that I just put in is now probably the very last one here, and there it is, Demo 2012. Okay, so there it is, and there's your Google map. So now what I want to do is I got to go to Edit, go to Profile. Okay, and under Profile and one of the drop downs I have to select Event, which I already have. So there is an event there. I already have the event button selected. Okay, so now what we could do is we can go and actually register for the event. Now you know how to set up an event. Now I want to just show you the flow through and how it all ties together. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on it, and these events are going to be great for large parties, gatherings, conventions. Have you ever gone to a convention? Have you ever gone to a convention where you have to stand in line and they go through the old list to try to find your name? It takes forever. What we want to do with our system is to speed that up all through a QR code. So if we go to my mobile landing page, there's my mobile site, and there you'll see the event. Okay, if I click on the event, it will list how many events that I have available. I have one that's coming due here on the 22nd, test 77, but the one that I just built is this one right here. So I'm going to select Demo 2012. Okay, and there it is. It's now loading. It's bringing up the event, and it's going to have the Google map in here. It should have the Google map, and there it is. There's the Google map, and there's my videos. I got my videos in there twice. Okay, and here is where I register. Okay, and once I hit, it says register via email. So if I click register, my email provider, you could do this on your mobile or you could do this on your PC. And right now my mail Outlook is opening up, and I should have a pre-filled out form to register. Okay, just waiting for that to load up. Again, while that's loading up, I just want you to know that this is very simple, and it's made for direct selling companies. It's made for corporations and small groups as well, and it keeps track of everything. So here it is, event registration. Please register me for this event. Note, do not alter the subject or body of the message. Just click send to complete the event registration. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit send, and now this has been sent off, and it gets sent off to QRGL Marketing Inc. And what happens is I'm now going to go into my inbox, and I will be getting an email from QRGL Marketing, and I'm getting registered. And there it is. Okay, one is say that I've registered. Okay, and the other one will be the actual unique VCAL that I'll get, and also the actual unique QR code that I need to take. Either I print off or I take it with me to the event. So here's the event calendar. If I was to click on that, it would go into my Outlook and tell me that, and go into my calendar and save it. Okay, if I want to scan this or click on this link, I go ahead and click on it, and an actual QR code, my unique QR code, comes up. Now you cannot give this link and give it to other folks, because our system, when you get registered, our scanner will scan that, and it'll only scan it once and say, yes, Frank's video has now registered and actually has been entered into the event. Okay, so this is their special enter code. I could click on this, I could scan it, all right, and it'll bring me back to the event page. Okay, so there it is, and now it's just checking me into the event. This is Frank's video email yada yada yada, checked in, 1 of 1, please close this window. Okay, so that's basically what happens there. That's what it looks like on a scanner when somebody checks you in. So there you go. Now that's been checked in, and once you come to the actual page here, this actually, you'll get this is always going to be there. It gives you the direction and what the event's all about. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go back to the event manager. Okay, and I want to just take a look and see what's happened. And this is very, very powerful, folks. So I'm going to go down to the event that I want to take a look at. As you can see, one person has subscribed, which is me. Okay, and I want to make this very clear, and this is very powerful, that our system will actually, is a lead capture, will automatically register my name and my email address. Okay, and it will keep a list of everybody that registers, okay, and that you'll be able to import and export through your Excel spreadsheet. Very, very powerful, folks. I hope you see the power of our new event manager. We're really excited about it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your time. Hope this makes sense. Bye for now. Make it a great day.